So here I'm gonna introduce you to a new program called the Quickie. So when you're working during the day, during the week, you come back at home in the evening, you're tired, you don't want to work, you don't want to cook, so you need something quick and simple and good. So this is the point of doing a Quickie. And today we're gonna make a really simple pizza, and we're gonna make a really simple. I'm gonna do it. And now we're gonna make a really simple Quickie pizza. So first, if you want to make it really simple, you can buy the dough. You get quite good doughs that you can buy at your grocery store. And that will be the simplest way to make your pizza. And then you're gonna need the basic stuff you need for a pizza. I'm talking about my kind of pizza. So you need mustard, Dijon mustard. You need sour cream. That's the base. And then afterward, once you've got the base, you can put on this pizza whatever you want. For example, I want to begin with a layer of lardons and onions, and then I'm going to put another layer of zucchinis mixed with tomatoes and mushrooms. So you're going to see how we proceed. First, I'm going to put the mustard and the sour cream on the dough. So I'm going to use what is this? Tablespoon? Yeah. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of mustard and spread it on the pizza like this, on the dough like this. I have to add a little bit more. Then I'm going to spread the sour cream on top of it. So once it's done, you've got the basic. Now you're going to cook the lardons and the onions together to slice the onions. So now I'm gonna cook the onions and the lardons, and I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Like this. Lardon is a piece of pork. In France, it's kind of similar to the bacon, kind of, It's small slices of pork like this. No, they call that nature. It's regular lardon, or you can have it smoked too. So just be sure your onion don't get brown. Remember, it's going to cook in the pizza in the oven, so you need it to be soft and yellow. And once the onion turns a little bit yellow like this, it's a mixed with olive oil, you put the lardon in. And you cook it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to put this on top of this. You try to spread it evenly everywhere. And you set it aside while you're going to take care of the vegetables. Okay, so now I'm going to slice up the vegetables. So beginning with my friend the zucchini. I love you, zucchini. You cut this vegetable in thin slices, okay? So now once your zucchini is sliced, you put it on the pizza. And if you have extra zucchini, you set it aside. By the way, you can eat it raw like this. It's really good. See? I'm not dead. Okay, then you're gonna do the same thing with the tomatoes now, okay? Tomatoes, and then at the end, the little mushrooms. Okay, let's put the tomatoes on the pizza now. Okay. And then we're gonna end up this pizza with the little mushrooms here, okay? And then you see all the sliced mushrooms. I put them on the top of it like this. It's really up to you, really, you can put on top of it anything you want. I think it's a good mix here, but it's really up to you. You can make your own recipe. Okay, that's over with veggies. So now that you're happy with your pizza, you're gonna cover it up with shredded cheese. And this cheese is Emmental. It's like, it's Swiss cheese, yes. It's cooked cheese, exactly. It's not raw, it might be raw milk, but it's cooked cheese. No. I don't know what it is, it's cheese. Okay, once you have your last layer of shredded cheese, you need to put this in the oven for, let's say, 20 minutes. The temperature is 180 degrees Celsius, which is 345 degrees Fahrenheit. And you let it cook for approximately 20 minutes. And at the end, if you want, you can broil it. Is that it? Broil it? You can broil it for 5 more minutes. Okay, let's put that inside now. Yeah, pizza! I'm gonna take it out of the oven. Look at this. Okay. Here's my simple pizza for the evening. It smells really good, you know. And it's really simple to make. So please enjoy it with your family or whoever you want to enjoy it with. And with your love. Yeah. So if you find it, if it was good, if it was good for you, please subscribe to our channel and please like this video down below here or here somewhere, one of the side. Bye.